Hey there, car owners. Ever wondered how much an oil change really costs? Well, let me break it down for you. The average cost for an oil change in the US is about $66, but this can vary a lot. It all depends on the type of oil, the size of your car, and where you're getting it done. For example, a 2022 Honda Pilot near New York City might cost around $55 to $65 for parts and $43 to $54 for labor. Oil change costs usually range from $50 to $100. Factors like synthetic oil, location, and the service provider play a big role. Synthetic oil is pricier, but it offers better protection and longer intervals between changes. Doing it yourself can save you $35 to $50 in labor costs each time. Different providers have different prices. Walmart charges about $30 to $50. Jiffy Lube can go from $20 to $30 and sometimes up to $75. Valvoline and Take 5 oil change both start at around $40. There are three main types of motor oil: conventional, synthetic, and synthetic blend. Conventional oil is the cheapest, synthetic is the most expensive, but offers the best protection, and synthetic blend is a middle ground option. So, what's included in a professional oil change? Typically, it's the type of oil, filter replacement, and labor costs. Additional checks like air filter inspections and coolant checks might also be included. To save money, consider loyalty programs, seasonal promotions, and maintenance packages. And remember, using synthetic oil can extend the interval between changes, saving you more in the long run. All right, folks, that's your quick guide to oil change pricing. Keep your engine purring and your wallet happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips.